tractor. That would be lame. We're gonna drag a log. Dragging a log over to the sawmill. That's what's happening. Yeah, I think my tractor's sexy. Mickey, get!
Hey, babe.
Yeah?
Come over here.
Yep. Attach this?
Wrap the chain around the end of the ball hitch and then hook it to itself.
Okay. Will you hold this for a second? What do I do? Do it down here?
Grab it, yeah. And then just hook it. No, no. Yep. That's it. No.
No?
Don't make the chain go inside the... No. No. Smack the dog, too, when you get a chain. There you go. There you go.
No!
No! Got him!
Alright. Mickey, get back. Get. Alright, he's going to pull the log. Mickey, get over here. Come here. Yeah. I think his tractor's sexy. I got bugs all over me. All right, so we're pulling it up. We're gonna put it on the Timber King. Cut this bitch up with poplar. Beautiful poplar wood. It's gonna be really nice for the interior of a cabin. We hope it's gonna happen. Pulling it on in. Thank God for power stuff. You wouldn't be able to do this stuff without tractors and sawmills. It would take you forever. Just for one board, seriously. A lot of energy and time. It's crazy. It makes you appreciate handcrafted stuff. Mickey, come here. Good girl. Anyway, here we are.